Good day everyone! So for this particular video, we are going to unbox DC Bombshells Stargirl. So are you ready? Let's go! Okay, so before we unbox the Stargirl statue, let us take a look first at some of the Stargirl bombshells we have in our collection. So the first one is this Cryptozoic bombshell Stargirl. So you can see she has her, I would say, cosmic goggles and cosmic wand. Okay, and the star earring. That's a very nice detail. And curly front hair. So it's really the only minifigure that I have, okay, made by Cryptozoic. Okay. So Stargirl. And of course we have the comic cover. Okay, so I think this is the variant cover for Justice League United 2. Okay, and it features Stargirl, the cosmic, a field guide to the cosmos with Stargirl. Okay, so we hope to see this tattoo, okay, in the statue as well later on. Okay, and she's sitting on the staff. I believe this is the inspiration to the statue, so this cover. Okay, so we'll see later on how close it is to the cover. And then finally, we also have a Heroclix figure, Stargirl. Okay, so for those of you who play Heroclix, this is from the Harley Quinn and the Gotham Girls set. Okay, so if you're new to Heroclix, Heroclix is superhero chess. So you can see the tattoo is also here. Okay, and she is standing on a bombshell. Okay, so let's take a look at her powers. So Stargirl is set number 36 from the Harley Quinn Gotham Girls set. So she has keywords Bombshells and Soldier. Her real name is Courtney Elizabeth Whitmore. Okay, I think in the Bombshell comics, she is half sister of Supergirl. Okay, but unfortunately, she met her early demise. Okay, so I don't know if they're gonna bring her back. I haven't read that far ahead in the comics. Okay, so let's go back here. Set 36. So she is a rare figure. So she has two traits. The first one is Bombshell. When Stargirl makes an attack targeting an opposing character, give her a Bombshell token. And then free, if she has two action tokens, remove two Bombshell tokens, then make a close attack. Okay, so that's really powerful. That's a common trait across all Bombshell figures. And then we have the second trait, protect my sister, adjacent friendly characters named Supergirl. So she is the sister of Supergirl in the comics. Or with the Bombshell keywords, can use energy shield deflection. So they are gonna increase their defense +2 against range attack. And staff, incapacitate, range combat expert, telekinesis. When Stargirl uses one of the listed powers, after resolution, roll a d6 and add 1 to the result for each Bombshell token. If the result is 8 or higher, she may choose another listed power and use it as free this turn. Okay, it's quite hard to pull off because of the 8 or higher. Technically 7 or higher, but if it was, I guess, 4, then this would be a very powerful attack power. And then she has a damage power, getting the staff. Stop. When you reveal this click for the first time after resolutions, place Stargirl in your starting area. Okay. So she has Earthbound, Neutralize, I think at the beginning. Yeah. So the first two clicks would represent that she doesn't have the staff yet. And then third is the special damage that she goes back to the starting area and then get the staff, so she becomes a little bit more powerful. Okay, so she starts off as a support piece, I guess, with the Perflex. And then 6 range, 65 points. Okay. So that is Stargirl Heroclix. So it's really nice that they made the Heroclix representation of the Bombshells, because the Bombshells are my favorite DC figures. Okay. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this statue. And let's open the box. Okay, so it's a fairly smaller box compared to the other DC Bombshells box. So we can see here in front we have Stargirl herself. Okay, so this is how she will look like in this pose. So as I said, this is inspired by the comics cover. Okay. Then on the side, another angle view of Stargirl. Then at the back, so we have Stargirl, the bold and brassy, the bombshell line inspired by the pinup girls of the 1940s and 50s, take off with its latest addition, a beautifully sculpted statue of the adorable Stargirl. So at the bottom, we see as well some other bombshells. We had an unboxing video of Black Canary, and of course, we have our favorite bombshell, Satana. Okay, and then here's the comics version. Okay, that is exactly this cover. Okay. And then finally at the top we have the Stargirl, I guess, logo for this particular box. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box. So this is 2,976 of 5,200 made. So it's quite limited edition. Okay, it's quite hard to get by. So this is the bottom, so we'll just flip it. Especially here in the Philippines, the bombshells are not as accessible. I had to order this in eBay, and then it took me around 3 months to receive it. Okay, and then it sat unboxed. It sat here at home for a couple of months before I did this unboxing. Okay, so let's see. This is Stargirl. Oops. So I've already removed the tape. Okay, because I've looked at it before just to be sure that everything is not broken. So here we have, first and foremost, the nameplate of our Stargirl. So let's put it out. The nameplate, the sturdy nameplate. Okay, so you can see this is where there's a peg that she will be placed. Only one. So let's see how it's gonna look like. Okay, let's open. There she is. There's our Stargirl. So she seemed to be only a single piece statue. So there's no plug-in parts. And this is the peg. So we can see her. Okay. Let's take out this one so we can highlight our Stargirl. So this is Stargirl. You can see she's in perfect condition. Okay. I see some, I don't know, it is bruises here, blemish, but it's tolerable. Okay, the tattoo is there, the earrings is there. So yeah. Oops, what's happening here? Oops, okay. So that's nothing. Yeah. So the Stargirl is here. Okay, let's put her in the peg. And then we can take a look at her after we place it here. Okay. It's we should really not force it, so good thing we're able to do it properly. And this is Stargirl. Okay. So in the next section, we will take a look at her 360 on our rotating panel before we wrap things up in this video. So this is Stargirl 360 view, and as you can see, she is very much true to the comics cover. Okay, that pose is really amazing. Okay, so she's very sexy, energetic, and you can see with her hand behind her head and all smiles. Okay, as she greets everyone that sees her. So thank you very much. I hope you like this video, and see you in the next unboxing of our favorite DC Bombshells. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.